In this video, I'll guide you through how to categorize transactions in wave accounting. Wave accounting is a powerful tool for managing your finances, and categorizing transactions is essential for keeping your books organized and making your financial reports accurate. Whether you're a small business owner or just managing your personal finances, learning how to categorize transactions correctly is a crucial step. First things first, you need to navigate to the Transactions section. Start by looking at the left-hand navigation sidebar. This is your main hub for accessing different sections of wave accounting. Click on Accounting, and from there, select Transactions. This will take you to the page where all your financial transactions are listed. You'll see every transaction that has been recorded, which is essential for keeping track of your spending and income. Now, once you're on the Transactions page, you'll notice a variety of columns. One of the most important ones is the Category column. This is where you'll be assigning each transaction to a specific category. To begin categorizing, locate the Category drop-down block field. This field allows you to assign a category to each transaction, making it easier to understand where your money is coming from and where it's going. When you click on the Category drop-down, you'll see a list of financial account groups. These categories help you group similar transactions together. For instance, you might categorize expenses such as office supplies, travel, or meals under different groups. This makes it easier to track how much you're spending in various areas. Choose the correct financial account group for each transaction. It's important to be as accurate as possible because this will affect your financial reports and insights. Once you've selected the appropriate category for a transaction, don't forget to save your changes. Saving ensures that your categorization is recorded and reflected in your reports. This step might seem minor, but it's crucial. If you navigate away from the page without saving, you might lose your work and have to redo the categorization, so always double-check that everything is saved properly. A few additional tips. Consistency is key when categorizing transactions. Try to use the same categories for similar transactions each time. This will give you a more accurate picture of your spending habits and make your financial reporting cleaner and more understandable. If you find that the preset categories in wave accounting don't fit your needs, you can always create new ones that better suit your business or personal financial situation. This flexibility is one of the great features of Wave. Remember, the whole point of categorizing your transactions is to make your financial management easier and more insightful. By taking the time to categorize accurately, you're setting yourself up for success when it comes to understanding your finances. It will also make things much simpler when it's time to file taxes or present financial reports to stakeholders. And there you have it. This simple guide has walked you through how to categorize transactions in wave accounting. With these steps, you'll keep your financial data organized and easy to interpret, allowing you to make informed financial decisions. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials on managing your finances efficiently. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.